Moving ahead, we will be now giving away prizes to the Smart Mom winners. For this, I would really like to call upon stage Meenakshi ma'am. With a huge round of applause. Meenakshi ma'am, can we please have you? अब तो हो गया, जोरदार तालियां हो जाए, अब तो प्रोग्राम हो गया, डन. अब थोड़ी छोटी छोटी बातों पे तालियां बजानी है बस. Okay, so the second runner-up or the third prize winner for Smart Mom Contest 2024 is Mrs. Priyanka. A huge round of applause for Mrs. Priyanka for the way she carried herself, for the answer she gave, for the personality that she carries and the achievements that she has. Can we please have a huge round of applause for Mrs. Priyanka for the second runner-up position for Smart Mom Competition 2024. दो बाकी हैं अभी, हमें बहुत सारी ताली. एक बार और जोरदार तालियां. नहीं. Wow. Heartiest congratulations to her. A huge round of applause. Okay, very tough question I've got for you. Yeah. I can't leave you right now. How do you feel? What is it that is going in your head right now? We would want you to express with the mic. Sir, mic de dijiye. Your quick feelings right now.
Hello everyone. Smart mom, oh my god. Well, यहाँ जितनी भी मॉम्स हैं ना वो सब स्मार्ट है यार, क्योंकि आपने देखा बच्चे कितने स्मार्ट है हमारे, है ना. तो स्मार्ट बच्चों के लिए अगर स्मार्ट मॉम नहीं होगी तो कैसे चलेगा. तो एक बार मैं सभी मॉम के लिए मतलब ये जो है ना, ये जो भी है फ्लावर, ये सैश, ये सभी मॉम को मैं डिज़र्व करती हूँ. तो बहुत मतलब ज़ोर से तालियां यहाँ सभी मॉम्स के लिए, क्योंकि ऐसी कोई मॉम नहीं है जो स्मार्ट ना हो. पुराने ज़माने की अपने देसी स्टाइल में स्मार्ट थी, आज हम मॉडर्न स्टाइल में स्मार्ट है, लेकिन स्मार्टनेस थी, है और हमेशा मॉम में रहेंगी, है ना. Thank you.
So the first runner-up or the second prize winner of Smart Mom Contest 2024 is Mrs. Shivi Bhatnagar. A huge round of applause for Mrs. Shivi Bhatnagar. I can't see you. Okay. A huge round of applause. Zordar taaliyan. She gets this for the thoughts she had at the time of the competition, the energy and the exchange of thoughts that we had, the beautiful answer and the personality that she carries. A huge round of applause for Mrs. Shivi Bhatnagar, the second award winner. A very tough question, similarly to you. Yeah. How do you feel right now? What is in your head?
Well, I feel that I think for a very long time since I've become a mother and I became a wife rather, I did not ever think that I also need to compete anywhere. I was always like, my kids need to compete and I should be always with them and I should make ways for them to exceed whatever they're doing. But the other day when ma'am said that Smart Mom contest हो रहा है और आप participate करो, I thought, okay, चलो try कर लेते हैं. And I did not really think that I'm going to get a prize for this also. But thank you so much. And I think all mothers always do a great job. Winning a prize is just a testament of someone's probably thought, or maybe I was lucky that day. But I think all of us do an excellent job, and each mother always deserves a lot more, I would say, appreciation for what they would be doing what they are still doing and they would ever be doing for their children. Thank you so much.
So the winner of Smart Mom Contest 2024 is Mrs. Seema Jaipuriar. A huge round of applause for Mrs. Seema Jaipuriar for her amazing thoughts, for what she said, for her answer. Congratulations and a huge round of applause to you. How do you feel?
सो इट्स अ मिक्सचर आई गेस. पहले तो ये देख के समझ आ रहा है कि बच्चों को यहाँ परफॉर्म करने में कैसा लग रहा होगा स्टैंडिंग ओवर हियर. तो 2-3 चीज़ें दिमाग में चल रही हैं. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल इज़ कि बच्चों की वजह से मिला है, तो वो भी यहाँ होते तो अच्छा फील होता ज़्यादा आई गेस. Second is thank you so much to Meenakshi ma'am and the entire team for whatever they are doing. हमसे हमारे बच्चे मुश्किल से संभलते हैं और ये इतने बच्चों को इकट्ठे संभाल रही हैं. So thank you so much for that. And yes. And
Thank you
ma'am,
so much.
I would request because motherhood is like I said before also. Again I want to repeat myself. मैंने Mother's Day contest पे बोला था. It is incomplete without fathers. So maybe next time we can think about the fathers too.
Fathers ka Smart Dad, we do it in the summer camp.
Yes.
Valediction.
Okay.
Yeah.
So that's it. Thank you.
Can I also please call on stage our amazing judges, Mrs. Ritika Luthra and Mrs. Jyoti Rani, for thanking them because we gave them a real tough time on Sunday, being a panelist. So a huge round of applause for Mrs. Ritika Luthra and Mrs. Jyoti Rani for being amazing panelists. Zordar talia, parents.